What do the terms exclusive contributor and non-exclusive contributor mean on sites that sell photos, videos, sounds, and other similar content? Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an important topic for content sellers. What is the difference between exclusive and non-exclusive contributors? Whether you currently sell or want to sell on stock photography sites, understanding these terms gives you the flexibility to choose why, how, and when to be an exclusive or non-exclusive contributor, as well as when to sell specific files as exclusive or non-exclusive content. Let's start with exclusive contributor. An exclusive contributor sells their content to a specific platform, granting that platform the sole rights to use and distribute the content. Being an exclusive contributor means you cannot sell or license the same content to any other platform once you have uploaded it to that site. However, this does not mean that by being an exclusive contributor for this platform, you cannot sell on other platforms. You can still sell other files that you hadn't uploaded to the site while maintaining your status as an exclusive contributor to it. When you become an exclusive contributor, you often get higher royalty returns along with priority visibility. Plus, the platform often promotes your content more actively. For the non-exclusive contributor, being a non-exclusive contributor means retaining the rights to your content and being able to sell or license it to multiple platforms. This allows them to earn from various sources as they can offer the same content on multiple platforms. However, the compensation per sale and visibility may be lower compared to exclusive agreements, as the content is not unique to a single platform. There are some platforms, like Dreamstime, where you can select any file as either an exclusive or keep a non-exclusive file without having to be an exclusive contributor. Understanding these differences can help you make informed decisions about how to sell your content. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you next time. Peace.